हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, चैप्टर 7 कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री। स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी सुविधा के लिए मेरा नंबर, मेरी ईमेल आईडी आपके लिए दी गई है। चलिए स्टूडेंट्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की क्लास। इंट्रोडक्शन। इन क्लास 9 यू हैव स्टडीड दैट यू to locate the position of point on a plane we required a pair of coordinate axes. The distance of point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate or abscissa, and the distance of a point from x-axis is called its y-coordinate or ordinate. The coordinates of a point on the x-axis of the from x comma 0 and of a point on y-axis are of the form 0 comma y. Distance formula. Let us now find the distance between any two points p x1 y1 qx2 y2. Draw PR and QR perpendicular to x-axis. A perpendicular from the point P on QS is draw in a meet at the point T. Then OR is x1, OS is x2, PRS equal to x2 minus x1, PT and SQ is equal to y2, ST is equal to PR is equal to y1, QT is equal to y2 minus y1. Applying the Pythagoras theorem in PTQ, we get PQ square plus PT square plus QT square, x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. PQ is equal to under root में x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. Note that the since distance is always non-negative, we take only the positive square root, so the distance between the point P and Q is under root में x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square, which is called the distance formula. Now students, let's start our exercise 7.1. Find the distance between the following pair of the points. Here is the x1 y1 2 or 3, x2 y2 4 1, and substituting this value in distance formula and get distance is 2 root 2. Again, x1 minus 5, y1 7, x2 minus 1 and y2 3. Substituting this distance formula and get 4 root 2, and x1 is equal to a, y1 is equal to b, x2 is equal to minus a, y2 is equal to minus b. Substituting in distance formula, get 2 under root में a square plus b square. Now students, question number 2. Find the distance between the point 0 comma 0 and 36 comma 15. Can you now find the distance between the two town A and B? Discuss in section 7.2. Distance between 0 comma 0 and 36 comma 15. The distance formula under root में x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square, that is under root में 36 square plus 15 square, that is a 39. Yes, we can find the distance between the given two town A and B. Assume town A at origin point 0 comma 0. Therefore town B will be at a point 36 comma 15 with respect to town A, and hence calculate the above the distance. Therefore town B will be the point 36 or 15 with respect to town A, and hence calculated above the distance between town A and B will be 39 kilometer. So students, let's start. Next question. Question number 3 is determine the point 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 11 are collinear. AB under root 5, BC under root 212, CA under root 265. AB plus BC not equal to CA. Therefore the point 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 11 are not collinear. Question number 4. Check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of its isosceles triangle. AB under root 7 37, BC under root 37 and CA is equal to 2. Therefore AB is equal to BC. So it is an isosceles triangle. Fifth, in a classroom, 4 friends are seated at a point ABC and D as shown in figure 7.8. Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagree using distance formula and find which of them is correct. Answer. It can be observed that A is 3, 4, B 6, 7, C 9, 4 and D 6, 1 are the position of these 4 friends. AB is equal to 3 root 2, BC is equal to 3 root 2 and CB is equal to 3 root 2, AD is equal to 3 root 2. Diagonal AC is 6 and diagonal BD is also 6. It can be observed that all sides of quadrilateral ABCD are the same length and also diagonal of the same length. Therefore ABCD is a square, and hence Champa was correct. Next students, name the type of quadrilateral form, if any, by the following points are given. Reason for your answer: -1, -2, 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 2 minus 3 comma 0. Here is AB is equal to 2 root 2, BC is equal to 2 root 2, CD is equal to 2 root 2, AD is equal to 2 root 2, diagonal AC equal to 4, diagonal BD is equal to 4. It can be observed that side of collateral are same length, also diagonal are the same length, therefore the given pointer vertices are square. Now next, minus 3 comma 5, 3 comma 1, 0 comma 3, minus 1 comma 4 are representing the vertices ABCD of the given collateral. AB is equal to 2 root 13, BC root 13, CD 5 root 2, and AD is root 85. It can be observed that all sides of the collateral are different length, therefore it can be said that it is only a general collateral, not specify square, rectangle, etc. Now third, let 4 comma 5, 7 comma 6, 4 comma 3 and 1 comma 2 be the representing the vertices AB, CD and given quadrilateral respectively. AB is equal to root 10, BC is equal to under root 18, CD is equal to root 10, AD is equal to under root 18. Diagonal AC is 2 and diagonal CD is equal to 13 root 2. It can be observed that opposite side of quadrilateral are same length, however the diagonal are the different length, therefore the given point are vertices of parallelogram. Now 7. Find the point on x-axis which is the equidistance from 2 comma minus 5 minus 2 comma 9. We have to find the point x-axis, therefore its y coordinate will be 0. Let the point on x-axis be x comma 0. Distance x comma 0 and 2 comma minus 5 under root में x minus 2 का whole square plus 5 का square, and distance between x comma 0 and minus 2 comma 9 under root में x plus 2 का whole square plus 9 का square. By the given condition, these distance are equal in measure. under root में x minus 2 का whole square plus 5 का square, under root में x plus 2 का whole square plus 9 का square, x minus 2 का whole square plus 25, x plus 2 का whole square is equal to 81, x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 25, x square plus 4 plus 4x plus 81, 8x equal to 25 minus 81, 8x equal to minus 556, x equal to minus 7, therefore the point minus 7 comma 0. Now students, question 8, find the value of y which of the following distance of the points p2 comma minus 3 q 10 comma y is 10 unit. It is given that the distance between 2 comma minus 3 and 10 comma y is 10, therefore under root में 2 minus 10 का whole square plus minus 3 minus y का whole square is equal to 10, under root में minus 8 का square plus 3 plus y का whole square is equal to 10, 64 plus y plus 3 का square is equal to 100, y plus 3 का square is equal to 36, y plus 3 equal to plus minus 6, y plus 3 equal to 6 and y plus 3 equal to minus 6. Therefore y is equal to 3 or minus 9. If q 0 comma 1 is equidistance from p 5 comma minus 3 and r x comma 6, find the value of x. Also find the distance qr and pr. pq is equal to qr, so that is equal to 41 equal to x square plus 25, 16 equal to x square, x equal to plus minus 4. Therefore the point r is 4 comma 6 or minus 4 comma 6. V point r is 4 comma 6, pr get under root 81 and qr get under root 41. If point r is minus 4 comma 6, pr is equal to 9 root 2, qr is equal to under root 41. Question number 10. Find the relationship between x and y such that point x comma y is equidistant from the point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. PQ is equal to QR, that is a 41 is equal to x square plus 25, 16 is equal to x square and plus minus 4, therefore point R is 4 comma 6 and minus 4 comma 6. This is repeat question. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो एंड स्टूडेंट्स आपको कोई भी क्वेरी हो हमारे दिए गए नंबर पे आप संपर्क कर सकते हैं, आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को हमसे पूछ सकते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स बी हैप्पी, टेक